Good morning, sir. I'm applying your company.
Now, tell me something about yourself.
My name is Nino Abansenya. I'm finished course of mechanical engineering at Partido State University, Karamuan. My skills are restore the things that can still be used, and I work hard to compose things. I also know how to cook and clean house. I'm patient when it comes to cleaning. I also knew how to respect those above me. Dapat na.
Okay? What do you think are your strengths?
My strength is seeing my mother happy what will be my doing and help it, then I provide when need, also financial stable my parents.
And the next, what is your weakness?
My weakness is to fight on my job because on I'm not enough doing our best. Also I find it difficult to see family that not financially stable.
How do you see yourself 5 years from now?
I think I have my own business in own car and success helping my family because your own company that you being hired me and also own house and financial stable.
What can you contribute to our company?
As you hired me, I contribute that I can give full attention to work for encouraging as like a work hard me and care your company
What do you need to hire you?
because I'm working to manage the job and I'm finished on time.
What is your age among other candidates?
Um, I'm focused on my skills until to develop what they need your company and I'm honest company and I'm trusted people.
I very satisfied your performance. I call you later.
Okay, thank you, sir.